Hello everyone, this is just going to be a quick tutorial about how to make your Microsoft Surface Pen able to open web links from the shortcuts on the back of the button. For example, mine right now I have set to open my YouTube channel page whenever I hold the button down. The way I'm going to do it is actually going to be slightly different from the way I implemented that one. That one involved using a program called AutoPy2exe, which involves converting a Python file to an executable file. I'll show the Python code I used for that on screen, but when I was trying to do it again, the settings must have been changed or something because the computer didn't recognize the AutoPy2exe command and it just didn't work for me. So instead, we're going to use a much easier method. The only difference is that this one's going to flash the terminal on screen for a split second before it opens your link. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. You're just going to open a web page. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to a folder, wherever you want to go. We're going to create a new text document. We're going to name it whatever. I'm going to call this one open page. Now inside, we're just going to write one line, just start. And then you're going to put the link, so http:// and youtube.com. And then when you save this page, file save as, what you're going to do is you want to save it as a bat file, B-A-T. So now it's going to have two things, the txt file and then the batch file. So if I go ahead and try to run this file, just from right here, it's going to flash that terminal on for a second, and then it's just going to open YouTube. And that's all you really need to do to make it open a web page. Using my original method, you would have had to render it as an executable file, and that just is a lot of effort for this same result. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open system settings. So we're already here. We're going to want to go to Bluetooth and devices, and we're going to go down to pen and Windows C. This is the pen settings. What you're going to want to do is make sure your pen is paired. Mine is, so if I just press it once, it's going to open the screenshot application. This is the settings that involve your Microsoft Surface Pen. In order to change the shortcut, we're just going to click choose what your shortcut button does. Click this, make sure your pen is already paired. For single click, I have screen snipping, which opens just the screenshot menu. I think that's quite useful. For double click, it opens the pen menu, which allows me to do some other shortcuts. But for press and hold, we can actually have it open a program. If we actually go to choose a program, we can navigate to the folder in which our batch file was created in. Now it's actually not going to appear here, but if we go to here and do open, as you can see, openpage.bat actually does appear. If we choose this as our application, it will show up right here. And if I just go ahead and press the pen in, it's going to open it like that. Thanks for watching. See you around.